Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I'm in my YouTube oats. I feel like I'm like officially back. As you guys know, I've been so busy in the past like almost 2 years with the brand running, and I feel like now that it's kind of like on its own, we've caught up, we've been ahead of ourselves. I feel like I'm ready to officially like be back consistently. If you guys didn't see, I posted a full beat glam tutorial, which I haven't done in so long. When I filmed that video, I felt so powerful, so me. I felt very PatrickStarrr. Today's gonna be the same. It's just gonna be a little bit different. I gave you guys full max to the queen crown drag glamazons, but today I'm gonna give you guys a no makeup look. This is a look that I really go to in 5 minutes or less. I actually did it on TikTok in less than 3 minutes because on TikTok you can only upload the longest up to 3 minutes. So today I'm gonna show you guys in full detail how I do it. I didn't get to do it on YouTube here. I am gonna be featuring our newest product, the BBB Cream by One Size Beauty. It's our newest launch, and I want to show you guys in full detail, separate from the launch video that I posted a few weeks ago, how to get this beautiful natural makeup look. Right now I have nothing on my skin, and I just want to show you how to get this no makeup. It's so easy, it's so quick, it's really refreshing, and it just takes a very few products and very few steps, and you'll be out the door ready to go and feel confident in your skin. So without further ado, let's begin, and don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. Okay guys, so I have shaved, I have moisturized, I have put eye cream on my face. This is a look that I literally go to when I'm meeting friends for lunch, for brunch, if I don't want to wear makeup and I want to go to dinner. This is something that's so easy. I have no contacts, I'm not going to wear false lashes. Again, this is a look that anyone can do. So first things first, when I'm like ready to just be out the house, I will curl my lashes, and I feel like curling lashes just like gives my eyes that like really I am awake look. I feel like these work best when your lashes are dry, because sometimes when I'm out the shower or if the hair on my lashes are still wet, they don't curl as great. You see that already? Do you guys see? They're very small, but I'm very proud of them. I'm working on them. And yeah, so we're gonna do that. So next, first product, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. For your face, you could use whatever primer, moisturizer that you use. Come out. This one I happen to love for my skin. Not only did I create it, but there are amazing ingredients that work for me. So I like to take it, rub it in my hand, and I start from my nose and work my way out. And I recommend this with any product, especially for all skin types, whether you're dry or oily. Right here. You guys see how that just killed the shine on my forehead? So yeah, just work this into the face. There's niacinamide, witch hazel, microspheres that blur the skin, yada, yada, yada. I like to take a lot, especially if I'm feeling a little bit more porous. You guys can see I have texture right here, right here. And for me, working with the hands is the best. There is another Pat in the beauty industry, Pat McGrath, and I remember going to one of her events. She said your hands is like your best makeup artist tool backstage for the skin, and that always stuck with me, learning from other artists. And for me, I feel like using your hands really melts the product into the skin. So skin on skin contact, especially, you know, in this pandemic, we can't even touch each other, is what we need. We just want to like love the skin. So this product, literally, I will show you on one side, with and without, how this is gonna work. This is the Turn Up the Base Beauty Blur Balm by One Size Beauty. I am in the shade Medium Dark 1, and you guys can just stop here. Like, I have a lot of guy friends that wear it just to secure the blur. Really quick tidbit, also Ronnie uses this on male celebrity clients that he works on. This is Medium Dark 1, neutral undertones, and we indicate all our undertones on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Beauty Blur Balm, and when I tell you this is so freaking gorgeous. Oh, I've seen a few reviews out there. A lot of people have been unscrewing the actual cap, but I recommend you know, using the little, it's so flush, I don't think everyone sees it off the bat, but there's a little knob right here. You open it and it squeezes out. This is the formula. right here. It's very, not thick. It's just like a marshmallow whipped meringue texture. I'm gonna go ahead and rub this in my fingers like so. And you guys can see right here, I have hyperpigmentation, I have facial hair. You can see my eczema on my neck, some ashiness eczema here on my mouth. I'm gonna go ahead and show you on one side of my face. My face. My face. Whoa. Wow. Like, this is why I am obsessed with this product. So for me, you can use a sponge, you can use your hands, you can use a brush. I just love using my hands with this product because it just melts right in the skin. Take a little bit more, rub this ever so slightly. So hands, and then patting it into the skin. And then I'm gonna take some and just pat some under my eye. Do you guys see a difference between this side where it's more even, more smooth, and then this side where you could see a little bit of the texture? I'm literally so obsessed. And this is most definitely buildable, but this is just so lightweight. It's self-setting depending on what type of skin type you are, but this is just so gorgeous. Would you look at that? Now right here, this is why I love the product, because the natural skin can peek through. But if you do want to cover it, I have some excess product right here. You can like layer it. This is most definitely buildable. And it has a soft matte finish. Love that. Now you see on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and there's this acne scar that has been here. It's like a little bit darker. I'm gonna go ahead and try my best to cover. Look at that. And this is like the key to having like a no makeup look. You just want it to be super natural, out the door. And I feel like using your hands and rubbing products in your skin is gonna give you that effect. And you know, I will say, I know this technique is not for everybody. Maybe these products isn't for everybody, but you're not gonna know until you try. Because everyone is different. I think for me, when it came to like the no makeup look, there was a lot of products on the market that were very like glowy and very wet and dewy. And for me being someone that's plus size, I was like, I don't want anything glowy or dewy or wet on my skin. Really quick, this is me before and this is literally me now. This is literally, I could stop right here and be out the door. Now I'm just gonna take a beauty blender with no product on it and just kind of go over around the eye areas in case my fingers couldn't reach, because you know I have long nails and for me to reach, I can't really get that smooth blend. Is this weird for you guys? You guys are getting like a natural makeup tutorial because I haven't, you know, you guys know me, over the many years I've done like full glam shebangs, and here we are, natural. All right, now for a little bit of extra coverage, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Butter Silk Concealer and just apply this around my eyes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Really, really simple and easy. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take my beauty blender and just blend this out under the eyes. And I tend to have hyperpigmentation on top of my eyelids, so I like to just take whatever is excess from the bottom and use my beauty blender to carry it to the top. And you see it like already brightens the eye. And for anyone out there that has hyperpigmentation and dark circles or acne and you want to achieve this no makeup look, it's gonna look different if you're covering your flaws that you choose to cover, and you're gonna look done up. But the goal of this video is to show you guys how to keep it super natural and gorgeous. Okay, to set, I'm gonna go ahead and take the One Size Ultimate Blurring Setting Powder. I'm taking just a little bit on my sponge and applying this right under the eye to prevent any creasing. I'm taking a little bit more and applying that to the center of the face. All right, this next step is optional. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation. This is in the same shade as my concealer, Medium 2. I'm gonna take a little bit just on my sponge. And like I said, this is optional. I'm gonna go ahead and add just the lightest bit with my sponge under my eye. And this is just gonna bring light and flawlessness and focus and a soft focus effect under the eyes. And I have like a little tiny hyperpigmentation mark right here. So I'm gonna do that. And it's really natural. Apply some down the nose. See, very natural. And next, I'm gonna take my Makeup by Ariel brush, my Morphe brush, and I'm gonna take medium 5, which has golden undertones, and I'm gonna swirl and then just buff this into the face. And you don't have to set your BBB cream, but for me, this is just gonna let it last all day, especially with me wearing a mask. And this is just gonna turn up the base. Okay, so next, just to brighten the face, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Face Kit Trio. There's a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush. I'm gonna go in with a blush, like so. This is a beautiful coral blush. I'm just gonna go ahead and brighten the cheeks. This just gives me like a little brighten effect. You guys see that? Very natural. And for me, since I have a lot of powder, blush is the first thing to disappear from my face. Anybody else, or am I just the only one? Now, guys, when I tell you we're almost done, we're almost done. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Brow Kiki Nourishing Brow Gel in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm going to comb this brow gel through, and this is just gonna give my brows a little bit of life. When I tell you guys, this is probably the most natural you have seen me be out the door. This is literally what I wear on my way out, and I hope you guys really appreciate the reality that I'm giving you here on my channel today. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. And last but not least, for my lips, I have been obsessed with this duo by Dose of Colors from their Valentine's Day collection. One is a liquid lipstick called Romance, and one is called Flirt, the gloss. I'm just gonna take the gloss side. Just apply that on my lips. I almost forgot. I should have done this before my mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and take Preserve to Serve. This is a luminous setting mist. And I'm gonna cover my eyes and just set the face. All right, you guys, this is my no makeup look. This is something that I literally, truly wear pretty much almost every day when I'm out the door, just doing something natural, super fun. As you guys can tell, this is something literally so freaking easy. I'm very proud of all the products that I've created. I'm proud of my skin. You guys know I've been working on my skin. I am getting older, so I'm trying to really find ways to celebrate my beauty without overdoing it. You guys know I'm always glam. I will never step away from being PatrickStarrr and being full glamour, lashes, contacts, overline lips, contour, kapow. But this is my no makeup look. If you guys love this video, comment down below. If you guys haven't checked out our BBB Beauty Blurring Balm, please check it out. Please check out other things One Size. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at PatrickStarrr. Be sure to follow us on One Size at One Size, on Instagram, One Size Beauty. Check us out in Sephora and onesizebeauty.com. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.